Hello everyone. Today I am super excited to show you something that I've been working on for a while, and that's my custom built Fantasy Premier League dashboard. Now, if you are one of the 11 million people who play this game, we all know the struggle to find the right FPL picks. But what if we can make data-driven decisions to build a killer team? That's the idea behind this dashboard. This dashboard is designed to give you the key information you need fast. See these buttons here? One click shows you a player's total points for the past 3 game weeks. Another button shows you the past 5 game week points, and lastly the latest game week points. This helps you judge a player's consistency and recent form regardless of their team. And because familiarity is key, the entire dashboard is designed to look and feel just like the FPL app, so it makes you feel right at home when using it. But there's more. See, when you hover over a player, you get a deeper dive into the stats, including a table with a summary of key information. That's there to help you decide if they deserve a spot in your team. The purpose of this dashboard is to save you time analyzing and making smarter decisions. That's the power of this dashboard. It's proven to give you the edge over your competition and help you climb that FPL leaderboard. I've rocketed to the top in my mini league, considering it's my first full season playing FPL. So just to let you know, this is still a work in progress. I have many more ideas on developing this further, and your feedback is vital. Let me know what you think of the dashboard, what features and analysis you'd like to see added. Thanks for watching, and let's dominate the next FPL season together.